Good day and welcome back to Sheldon's Gardening Tips, your complete DIY guide for everything lawn and garden care. Now today I'm going to show you how to propagate your St. Augustine lawns from cuttings taken from your existing lawn. Now this is a very cost-effective way of expanding your existing lawn, so it prevents you from having to go out and purchase additional sods. So when I planted this lawn, initially I planted just about a half of this size of the lawn that I currently have with plugs, and all that I've done since is to propagate and then plant the cuttings, and that has caused the lawn to expand to what currently exists today. So this section of where you can see the dirt behind me, this is literally the only space in the yard apart from where my vegetable garden area is. Everywhere else is fully grassed. This is the only section that has dirt. So there's no dirt at any other section apart from in the planter boxes. So the entire yard is either concreted in a few areas or it is grassed. So that was my intention at the start, that there should be no dirt at anywhere that I'll be walking. So at any place that I'll be walking in the yard, there should be no dirt. I should either have grass or some kind of paving. So the tools I'll be using for this job, I'll be using the half-moon shovel to remove the cuttings from the existing lawn. Then I'll be using this machete to plant the cuttings. And I'll be wearing a pair of gloves just to protect my hands. So stay tuned for the process. So I would typically take the cuttings from around the trees. Now as you can see, it's a very small space. So it means I won't need a large amount of cuttings. And let me just put all the cuttings in the area. So there have it, an easy and inexpensive way, very cost effective way of expanding your existing lawn from just taking cuttings from that same lawn. So what I did, I removed a few cuttings from around the tree, and then I've planted them in this small bare spot that I had. Now my main job is to ensure that the grass is properly watered at least twice per day. So this is something that I've done to Zoysia and Bermuda. as well as St. Augustine on many occasions. And I've had, I would say, 100% success rate. So you can have the same success rate as well. So thanks very much for watching. I will see you again in the next video.